Hi everybody, how are you guys doing? Today is Thursday, March 22nd, I think. And I quickly came on here because I'm actually doing housework. But I got some Creative Birdie mail and I wanted to share with you guys. So this is from Maria Price. Did I get that right? Yes, Maria Price. Let's see what she said. Oh my lord. Oh my god. I was just talking about Maria. Oh my gosh, she did one of my Pinterest nail polish flowers that I did about 5 years ago. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. You did a beautiful job. I think I'm going to put that on my in my car, on my inside of my car, on my dashboard. That's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Feathers. Feathers, feathers. You know how I feel about feathers. Beautiful. Look, you see? I even have feathers on my desk right there. As a matter of fact, what you guys are seeing is my glass. My desk on my glass on top of my original desk. And this glass came from, it's tempered glass, and it came from when I used to own a thrift store. This was on top. This was in my thrift store, is what I'm trying to say. So my husband put it on top of my desk, and now I have this. And then I have all my dried flowers and feathers. And this tape here is for me so that I can stay in frame. I can't believe you sent this to me. I seen this on Facebook. I seen you share this. As a matter of fact, she sells these. Maria Price sells them. You can, let me see if I can get her information. Oh my god. What in the world? Do you guys see this? Oh my god. Look. What does this say? Amazing grace, how sweet the summer sounds. That is beautiful. Holy moly, this is beautiful. She sells these, and I'm going to try to get her information. I'm looking to see if she put her business card in here. Okay. Wow. This is the best wallet I've ever seen in my whole life. I am not even joking. It feels good. It's beautiful. The accessories on there, the hardware is gorgeous. I'm not even joking. I wouldn't lie to you guys. Look, this is where you put your business cards, card slots. She stuck a few ephemera, a few pieces of ephemera in there for me. Aww. You could stick whatever you want. Look at, for your change. This is very well made. Holy moly. This is going to be for, aww. Look at, she stuck a surprise in there for me. I'm going to take everything out because that's it. This is going to be my forever purse till the day I die. Unless I get another one from her in a different style, but I would actually purchase one. Save my pennies and purchase one. She did my boho round beads. And she did my original boho straw beads. And that one's gorgeous. Oh, Maria, can you give me your information? Aw, another boho bead. Can you give me your information so that I can share it with my friends here? Yeah, I'm taking all of these out because I'm going to use them. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. I love this. Look at, It opens up enough. Enough. You need to give me your business information. Look at how nice it opens. Oh, the middle one opens really nice. Look. And it feels gorgeous. Look at how nice. It's not wonky in any way. Look. Oh my gosh. Okay, Maria, give me your information. And I'll leave it down in the description. And I'll mention it in another video. But thank you, thank you, thank you. You've blessed me with the other purse that I actually already put in my car. And I put my lotion and hand sanitizer, chapstick and stuff like that. And I was just talking about you the other day to my husband. And now you sent me this. This is going to be my forever and ever and ever and ever hand clutch. Everywhere I go, this is going with me. Oh, so sweet. And these two. And this one. These are going to go into the car. These I'll put aside. Okay, I need to jump in the shower. Thank you, Maria Price. And please, 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 please give me all of your information. If you have a store, how can people contact you? All the information. And I will share, 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 share. And hopefully bring you some business. And thanks a lot, guys, and I'll talk to you later.